Hello, this is Yo-Yo. Welcome to my Feiyu Gimbal class. I'm so glad to have you here and teach you how to use the handheld gimbal stabilizer. In this class, I will use the newly launched Feiyu AK2000C to demonstrate all the basics and advanced techniques. I will also cover professional practice to deliver a cinematic camera movement. If you haven't seen my cinematic gimbal series on Feiyu's official Instagram, I recommend taking a look at it. Experienced users may also find extra useful tips to master your gimbal moves. Since this class is episodic, please subscribe and stay tuned. In the first class, let's learn how to properly set up the gimbal. These are 3 steps: install, balance, and calibrate. You need to follow 3 steps every time you're about to use a gimbal. Here I will use the brand new Feiyu AK2000C, but the process should be the same on all other brands. Now let's unbox and get started. This gimbal is Feiyu's new entry-level gimbal. What we have here is AK2000C. Its price is $230, even cheaper than DJI's Pocket 2. To me, it doesn't look like an entry level because it looked like very pro to me. This is what we got in the box. This one is gimbal body. It's just over 2 pounds, and its payload is 5 pounds. It can support almost like all the major mirrorless cameras. This one is mini tripod and the plate. You can attach at the bottom of the camera and attach to the gimbal. And these 2 are the lens support. This is the charging cable. So these cables are for the cameras. You can attach to the camera and connect to the gimbal, and then you can control the camera using the gimbal. And this is the Allen wrench. It's very handy. Now we have everything in the box, so let's put them together. Now I put everything together, so next episode, I'm gonna teach you guys how to balance the gimbal.